Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is weather and climate. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is weather and climate. This is lecture number 8 and I will give you some SW. Our SW number will be 7 number SW. Dear student, weather is what the sky and air like each day. And today our topic is weather and climate. At first we will read some part of this chapter and after that we will do some exercise. We will discuss 2 short question answer. Let's start today's class, and before starting our class I want to say this is your science book, and when we are watching this class you can open your book. This is chapter 10 in your book and this is page number 68. We will start from this page today. Let's read today's topic. Sometimes weather forecast says rainfall activity may increase or light fog likely or change the temperature unlikely. Weather is what the sky and air like each day. The sky might be sunny or cloudy. The air might be hot or cold. Daily weather. We know different types of weather. For example, we experience sunny day and rainy day as shown below. You can see this is a sunny day and this is a rainy day. Now we will know about weather components. Weather can be described by sky conditions, temperature, humidity and wind. Those are called components of water. That means sky condition, temperature, humidity and wind are components of weather. Sky condition. We can find different types of weather in weather forecasting section in the newspaper or the internet. Bangladesh Met Office uses weather icons to present different type of weather as shown below. Like this is sunny icon. You may see these types of icon in newspaper or internet, and this is pretty cloudy icon, this is rainy icon and this is thunderstorm icon. In Bangladesh, thunderstorm in summer and rainfall in rainy season is common. Also, fog is common in winter and haze is common in dry season. If you can see this picture, this is winter season and foggy everywhere. Temperature. We feel hot or cold in our daily life. Temperature is how warm or cold the air is. We can describe the weather like a hot sunny day or cold sunny day. Now humidity. We describe the weather as humid when the air around us feels wet and sticky. Humidity is measure of how much moisture is in the air. That means humidity is a measure of how much moisture is in the air. When we feel sweating, that means humidity is high. That means moisture is high then. When we feel dry, humidity is low. That means moisture in air is low. We use wet and dry to describe the weather. Now wind. Wind is moving air. Wind can be strong or weak. Like wind can be measured by its direction and speed. Wind direction is the direction from which wind originates. For example, a northerly wind blows from the north to the south. Wind strength can be easily described by observing hosting school fly, trees and so on. Weather is the temporal state of sky and air, so weather is changing every day. We do not experience completely same weather. Weather is changing due to various reasons. Causes of weather changes. Temperature change. When the sun rises in the morning, air becomes warmer and temperature goes up slowly. When the sun sets, the air becomes cooler and temperature goes down. These temperature changes are called as diurnal change. Due to the sun's position in the sky, these changes occur. If you can see this picture, here is the sun rises from east and this is the phases of the sun position in the sky in different from morning to evening. Now wind. Wind cause weather changes. As example, cloud of a certain area is blown to other area by wind. Wind also moves cloud from the sky and make it clear. Winds are formed when the sun heats up some part of the earth more strongly and others, and the difference in temperature makes the air move. Sometimes the weather can be very powerful, bringing violent storms or cyclones. If you can see this picture, you can see sunlight, sun heats up this part of the air and it become warmer and it become lighter and it warm air rises up, and then when the air will be cooled down, then it come again in this area, and this cyclic way wind blows. This is formation of air flow. Now dear student, we will do some exercise. We will discuss about short question. Here is a 1 number question. Weather and climate change occur every day. What do you mean by weather and climate? Answer will be weather. Weather is what the sky and air like each day. The sky might be sunny or cloudy. The air might be hot or cold. And 2 number question is, we know different types of weather components. Write the name of the components of weather. Answer is, the components of weather are given below. 1 number sky condition, 2 number temperature, 3 number wind and 4 number humidity. Now dear student, you have to do some SW. Your SW number is 7. This is 7 number SW. When you do your SW, you have to write 7 number SW in top of your copy, and your SW will be this short question answer. Here is a 2 short question answer. One number and 2 number. I am repeat your SW. This is 7 number SW and your SW will be short question answer 1 and 2. That means 1 number and 2 number. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. Your SW is very important for you. You will get 2.5 marks for each SW. Please submit your SW properly and stay home, and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.